Motorcycle Rock Show.
This is a bike that I have restored 15 years before and is living inside my office as a decor with some other bikes. So then I paint my office. You can find a few of white color on it from the walls. Something is falling from the roof and I broke here the light and here the fender. So let's say that it's not in super special condition because it's already 15 years old restoration. The point is that this bike, it's 1000% Honda, except the seat cover and the second part of the exhaust, that is Honda but is not SS. All the others, even the last screw in this bike, it's original Honda. Even those, everything, even the cables, everything, it's original Honda. I restored it with a few money because I didn't do many things. I just paint everything, I make a seat cover, I make a service to the engine, I fix the exhaust, I put new tires, I take off everything was destroyed with a corrosion, I clean it and I paint it again. And I fix also the key is not the original. I changed it because I didn't find the original key. You see even here Honda Motors and etc. Honda Tokyo, it's super original. So this is a great value motorcycle because it's a super original. Okay, but I would like to show you this restoration that happened 15 years before because now I found the videos. So I say, oh, what a nice video. I want to show that thing to the people. Why? Because I take this bike and then you will see that you will say, oh my God, what a garbage. And then I throw some water on it. You will say, something changed now. The things are getting better. And finally, with not a lot of money, with few money only, almost nothing, I made it. So, watch this video to see the story. It's a nice story. Okay, let's start with this restoration. Mostly, my point in this video is not the restoration, because this bike wasn't very original to make a restoration. What I mean with the word restoration? With the word restoration, I mean that I disconnect everything in this bike and I fix it again. This is something that is not happen in this motorcycle because wasn't needful. You have to remember, the value of a bike like this is got to do with the originality. How original is the part of this motorcycle? This is a restoration 15-20 years old already, I tell you before, and let's see now how was it the bike, then I buy it. And how I buy it? I was in a place that they sell old things and inside his van, the guy got this bike. And I tell him, it's a friend of mine, oh, but not specialized in motorcycles. He's specialized in other things, like coins, like things like this. I tell him, oh, this is a nice moped. Where do you find it? And he answered to me, give me 50 euros and take it. 50 euros was the first year I think that we used the euro. And I say, okay, take it out, take the 50 euros. Okay, nothing happened. So I take the motorcycle in the condition that you will see now. Okay, how do you find the condition of the motorcycle? Terrible, yes? Full of corrosion, yeah? You have to get very open your mind, then you see an old motorcycle like this. So, take a look now in this video, what is going to happen, then I will just clean it with a bit of water, nothing more, a bit of water. A miracle, a miracle, a miracolo, miracolo, θαύμα, θαύμα, extraordinaire. Just a bit of water fell in the motorbike and you see how the condition is changed. Amazing, yes? You have to get this inside your imagination. Then you are see a motorcycle, you have to remember the video number 1 and the video number 2. Then you are trying to find a classic bike for restoration. Video number 1 and video number 2. This is the most important that you will see in this video. The restoration is not something important. What happened with this restoration? Okay, we take everything out, we painted the tank, okay. I found this that is destroyed, if you will see in the video. We find new like this and we found new this plastic. We put some paint here, 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 in the cover of the chain. We paint, of course, the frame. We don't even take down the engine, we leave the engine as it is. Of course, we take out the carburetor because carburetor you need to fix it. Of course, we fix here the raccord of the gasoline. We fix it nicely. We put some new O-rings on it so we know that everything is okay, nothing is leaking. The same also in the carburetor. We change those steppers, but if you will see, even here we have the original spark pipe of Honda. Believe it or not, now inside here we got the original spark of Honda, Hitachi. The spark in this engine is Hitachi. A restorer and a collector give big attention to the things like this. If you will see here, we have even the original mirror. Everything, the plastic, everything is original. What is my crime? What is my crime? This is a very beautiful seat cover. Yes? A friend of mine fixed it. It's piece of art, the seat cover. It's very beautiful and helps a lot the beauty of this motorbike. But wasn't correct, because if you will go back to the video, you will see that this bike wasn't with the original seat cover of Honda, and I, the stupid one, I sacrificed the original cover of Honda just to make my bike a bit more beautiful. Happens. This is a seat from Honda SS50 that it's not half dead, is dead. The corrosion have eaten everything, destroyed everything. But we have no other choice, we have to fix it. And why we have to fix it? To arise this seat from the dead. Because we don't have any part. This is a very old model of Honda, and the parts sometimes are not existing, and if you found them, they are very expensive. And also, we don't want to use a not original one part. So we will try to fix this seat. We have already cleaned it and take all the corrosion out, and we see all the damage that they are existing here, and there is only one way to try to fix it with a bronze and put some extra parts on it. When I take this bike, the exhaust was a little bit strange. The first part original by SS and the second part the pipe from a two-stroke bike. So I have to change it. I tried to find an original SS exhaust, original, not like original. Here we care about the originality. An original exhaust, and I didn't find. So what I do? I take a normal Honda cab exhaust that normally you can see many SS that they put it like this down. It's easier to do it. And I cut it from here. So I connect the pipe of cab that is the same with the pipe of SS, with the first part that anyway it's original SS. So you can see that we have now exhaust that looks like original but is not. Looks like. Simply think. Okay, another fail is the key. It looks like the original, but the inside is not the original one because I didn't found, so I buy another switch and I put it inside the original. As you can see, the screws, everything, it's original Honda. The cylinder is original, 49 cubics. Everything is fully original. The covers, everything. So, we have already 3 fouls. The seat cover, that was stupid for me to change it. The exhaust, that is not another solution. And also the key, that of course it's possible to find an original key, but I choose to buy a switch and put it inside the original cover. Those 3 fouls, they are existing in this restoration. Otherwise, we have a completely original Honda SS50 motorcycle. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, result. So this is what must be remain on your mind except the 2 videos, before the water and after the water. The second thing that you have to remember is that as more original is a motorcycle, new, old, antique, doesn't matter. As more original, as better for the buyer. Especially if we are speaking for collector, even the screw, that it's a Honda screw, it's important. So we have here an original Honda SS50 till the last screw, except 3 things. The inside of the switch, the seat cover and the half of the exhaust. Fully functional motorcycle with 26,731 kilometers on it. Even this is Stanley original plastics. This is the original fender, not the metal one. Georgia, please.
Look what I look every day.
What are you think about it? It's on your side many years now, every day, and just till now I just cleaned it a bit because it was on side, and now I wash it and you have a better look on it. What are you think about it?
Well, I don't know about originality. I respect originality, but I think those things that you did on the bike, the seat and all the makeup, it created a very good looking bike.
I consider it also as a very good looking bike. Really very good made bike. Especially with a clutch and 5 gears
The seat is fantastic.
gearbox. The seat is fantastic, but it's not original.
I don't care.
The point is that I have also the original cover. In case, you know, in case. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's existing also in here.
Yeah.
The most important is me and my bed. How is the song Me and My Monkey? I am me and my bed.
Yes, you are.
So, ladies and gentlemen, accept this wonderful, the amazing parrot Pikachu that is making too many tricks, like steps, like a meeting, many tricks. It's a very good trainer. It's also a biker. It's here on the bike, normally. So, except Pikachu, this is
Georgia doesn't do many tricks.
me. And you're here.
Yeah.
Remember it, eh? Κόκκινα φεγγάρια.
Motorcycle rock show.
That's it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα φεγγάρια motorcycle rock show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you.
Don't consider yourself very smart, but think that the things can be caused.
Why you do
She's
that?
my wife.
Why you do that all the time? Go away. Go away. We are so sorry about that.